Online. Please connect it. I want you to share the screen. Shiva. Shiva, am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Please share your screen.
1 minute, sir.
So go to Microsoft Stores. Go downside in the search button. We clicked on the close. Anybody else share the screen? Your name? Vikas. दरवाजा बंद कर दो. Go to the Microsoft Stores. Search for Power BI. Click on Power BI desktop. Install. Click on install. Okay. This is one way of installing. If some error comes, what to do? Go to Google. Open Google. Now type there, download Power BI. Anyone, Power BI desktop. Click on the first link. Scroll down. Click on that download. See, everyone has to follow that. Go through Microsoft stores, search there and download. If it is not working there, you can come here and click on this 64.exe. Second one. Click on download. Save. How many of you downloaded it? Then you. Online people keep on interacting. Keep on putting the message in the chat box, replying me. Now click on open file. Next. Click on next. Click on next. I accept the term and condition. Click on that checkbox. Then click next. Next. Install. Make sure that create a desktop shortcut is selected. Finish. I have shown two ways of installing it. Anybody can follow any one of the way. No need to do both the ways. Okay. Now after installing, we'll get launch. This will be our interface. Okay. On WhatsApp, I have shared the data file, which we will connect to this. Okay. But today, as it is the first day, we'll be look out for theoretical things. Day one. Then from tomorrow, we'll go for theoretical little bit. 90% practical, 10% theoretical. Getting it, everyone? Because this tool, you should be having hands-on practice. Okay. In interview, they will be asking you theoretical questions. I will share those questions. You have to prepare for that. You have to write that in the notebook. I'll share you the question. You have to search through Chat GPT anywhere. You have to maintain the answers for that, because you might not take your laptop to the interview, and especially Power BI interview, rarely you will get. There will be a combination, data analytics or something like that. They might ask you, as you have mentioned, Power BI in your resume. So they might ask you any theoretical question. Getting it? So I'll be sharing you theoretical questions also. And we will focus on hands-on practice. Getting it, everyone? So let's start now. You can stop sharing. First of all, let us see what is Power BI. Okay. Vikas, please read.
Power BI chart for Power Business Intelligence is a powerful suite of business analytics tools developed by Microsoft. It enables organizations to visualize and analyze data, gain insights, and make data-driven decisions across various aspects of their operations.
So whenever I am seeing some file, numeric data, I won't be able to understand what's happening. Yes or no? Are you getting any information from this? You're not getting. These are numbers, words, and thousands of things are there. Okay. But as soon as you try to make chart out of it, you'll get some sort of information. Right now the data is random and it's very big. It will take time, and all the columns are selected. So it is getting confused what to do. See, this is kind of limitation, you can say. Large data, confusing things, our Excel cannot handle. So my point was, whenever I am seeing numbers, whenever I am seeing data about my company, by looking at this raw data, I am unable to understand what things are going on. But when I take, let us suppose, category and sales, this number I have taken. Now this selected data, still these are numbers. I have to focus on the number, read the number. I have to see unit, tens, 100,000, 10,000, lakh. Yes or no? I might miss I might read this number as lakhs instead of crores. So visualizing it will give me more information. Getting it? So looking it in the data format or chart format will have lot of difference. Clear everyone? And Excel, this tool is more is used to data entry, data calculation, creating the column, new columns, giving more formulas, doing more calculation part, working with the numbers. Our Power BI is working with the charts, visualization of that. After data transformation also we can do, but we are having a separate tool for that. In Power BI gives us Power Query. In Excel also nowadays Power Query is there in the updated Excel. So in Power BI also Power Query is there. But Power BI desktop, the main tool, which will work only on the charts. The data transformation part will be doing on Power Query. What is that we are going to see? Right now our data is clean. So transformation part we need not to do. We'll be directly going to the charts. Okay. After few days we'll work on Power Query. We'll take some wrong data or raw data and try to transform the data. Clear everyone? So you got how is the use of Power BI we are doing. Why is that? For visualizing the data. Okay. Now let us deep dive into it. Let's read this.
So why it's essential in today's data-driven world. Data integration. Power BI allows users to connect to the broad range of data sources, including databases, cloud services, Excel files, and streaming data. This integration capability enables organizations to consolidate data from disparate sources into a single platform for analysis, visualization, and analysis. Power BI offers intuitive tools for creating interactive visualizations such as charts, graphs, maps, and tables. These visualizations help users uncover patterns, trends, and insights hidden within their data, making it easier to understand complex data sets and communicate findings effectively.
So data integration, visualization, analysis. We can connect multiple data sources. Now let us suppose in market nowadays flex engines are there in the cars. It can work with multiple fuels. It can be an electric plus petrol or CNG plus petrol. So whatever fuel is available will be adding in our car. So similarly, whatever is my data source, sometimes it might be from cloud, from Excel file, from SQL data source, anywhere might be my data. But if Power BI allows you to only connect with Excel file, then this many data source will be, we have to download it, we have to convert it into Excel format, then we have to convert to add to the Power BI. So this kind of what we can say, uneasiness will be there in connecting the data if it allows only one particular data source. But it is allowing us whatever data sources are available, you can connect that. It is telling like that. Get data. If I click, see here, this many data sources are there. Now if it is not allowing them, so what will be there? There will be in uneasiness in connecting the data, because data for companies will be in GBs, TBs. Yes or no? And it will take time for converting it to another data Excel file. My data can be lost. Yes or no? So this many data sources are there which can be connected. Almost it is above 100. We can say 200 plus data sources we can connect. Okay. So visualization, different charts, graphs, tables will be able to make through this. Power BI self-service.
Self-service BI. Power BI.
Read it loudly.
Self-service BI. The Power BI users can perform ad hoc analysis and create their own reports and dashboards without relying on IT or data experts. This self-service capability empowers business users to explore data, ask questions, and drive insights on their own, thereby fostering a data-driven culture within organizations. Real-time insights. Power BI supports real-time data streaming and updates, allowing users to monitor key metrics and KPIs in real time. This real-time capability enables organizations to respond promptly to changing business conditions, identifying emerging trends and size opportunities as they arise. Scalability and flexibility. Whether you are a small business or large enterprises, Power BI scales or meet your needs. It offers flexible deployment options, including cloud-based Power BI service and on-premises Power BI report services, as well as seamless integration with other Microsoft products and services.
So what they're telling, real-time insights. So whatever data is getting added in the file, so that will get updated just by clicking refresh. Okay, so it will keep on updating. Let us suppose you created 1 month back Power BI and you added few more rows, columns in the file. So if you click refresh, the data will get refreshed, the chart will get changed. Okay, another thing is scalability, flexibility. Means you, a big company also can work on the same time, a small company, a startup can also use. This is scalability. For example, if you can uh, lift 100 kgs, definitely you can lift 10 kg also, hitting it. So flexibility means changing according to the requirement. If you have a truck, your own truck, you will take some tons of uh, delivery things or packages from one place to another. But one package also can be delivered, right? The big thing which can do big task also can be done small task. But a small car, can it do big task? No, right? Small car as compared to truck, when it is taking 2-3%, it can take from one place to another place. So this is what they are talking about, the scalability. It can work for a big company also and a startup also. Company, whereas more data is required, more loaded things will be there. As a startup, they can also use. They will have less data, less work. Yes or no?
What really plays pivotal role in visualization, analysis, and business intelligence by providing powerful tools and capabilities that enable organization to extract insights from their data and make informed decisions. Uh, there's how Power BI contributed to each of these areas.
It's you.
Power BI offers a wide range of visualization options.
Loudly.
Power BI offers a wide range of visualization options, including charts, graphs, maps, and tables, allowing users to represent data in a visually appealing and interactive manner. User can customize the appearance and formatting of visualization to effectively communicate insight and help in comparing data stories. Interactive features such as drill down filtering and highlighting enable users to explore data dynamically and gain deeper insights.
Because
Data analysis. Power BI provides robust data analysis capabilities that enable users to perform a variety of analytical tasks, including data modeling, transformation, and calculation. With Power BI, users can easily connect to and transfer data from multiple sources. Read and receive data and create distribute uh, reusable data transformation release. The text data analysis expression language allows user to define complex calculation, measure and KPI based on their business requirements, enabling deeper analysis and insight generation.
So in Power BI, whatever data you are connecting before creating the charts, you will cross check the data is proper or not. Let us suppose 200 columns are there. For visualization, you require only 100 columns. You will figure out what columns you don't want and you will drop those columns. Now let us suppose date column is there. If you want only year from that date, date is having whole date. If you want only year column, you will extract year from that. So changing, adding columns, removing columns, doing some calculation. Let us suppose price and sales is given. Profit and sales is given to you. So sales minus profit, doing that, what will get cost? So adding the columns, removing the columns, this is known as data transformation, data cleaning. Okay. And DAX function, whatever formulas we will be writing. Okay, complex formulas we can write in Power BI. So that formula here it is known as DAX, data analytics expression. Okay. So we'll be learning all this practically. Right now we are just having some glance of it. Theoretical things will not invest much time in this, as it is the first day and few more students might be joining from tomorrow. So we are going very slow. Okay. It's okay to get bored as it is the first day. Business intelligence.
Or DI serves as a comprehensive business intelligence platform offering end-to-end capabilities for data preparations, analysis, visualization, and sharing. Users can create interactive dashboards and reports that provide a holistic view of business performance, enabling stakeholders to monitor key metrics, task progress towards goals, and identify area of improvement. Power BI's integration with other Microsoft products and services such as Excel, Azure, and Dynamics 365 allows organizations to leverage exciting data assets and extend their business intelligence capabilities across the enterprise. Advanced features such as AI-driven insights, predictive analysis, and natural language processing (NLP) empowering organizations to uncover hidden patterns, trends, and opportunities in their data, enabling more productive and data-driven decision making.
So see, we're going to create such kind of dashboards. Okay. So data will be there having 1,000 lakhs crore rows. We cannot go through those, but we can divide